Hello and welcome to this video on how to make money from Up4Ever.com by using free stock music from Pixabay.com. Up4Ever.com is a popular file hosting and sharing website that allows users to upload and share files with others. Pixabay.com is a website that offers free stock photos, illustrations, and videos that can be used for commercial purposes. In this video, we will show you how to use Pixabay.com to find free stock music that you can use to create content for Up4Ever.com and make money. Step 1. Sign up for an account on Up4Ever.com. The first step to making money from Up4Ever.com is to sign up for an account. This is a simple process that involves providing your email address and creating a password. Once you have signed up, you can start uploading files to the website. Step 2. Find free stock music on Pixabay.com. The next step is to find free stock music on Pixabay.com. To do this, go to the website and search for music in the search bar. You will be presented with a list of free stock music that you can use for commercial purposes. Browse through the selection and choose the music that best suits your needs. Step 3. Download the free stock music from Pixabay.com. Once you have found the free stock music that you want to use, you can download it from Pixabay.com. Simply click on the download button and save the file to your computer. Step 4. Create content using the free stock music. Now that you have downloaded the free stock music, you can use it to create content for Up4Ever.com. This could be anything from a video to a podcast or even a slideshow. The key is to use the free stock music to enhance your content and make it more engaging for your audience. Step 5. Upload your content to Up4Ever.com. Once you have created your content, you can upload it to Up4Ever.com. This is a simple process that involves selecting the file from your computer and uploading it to the website. Once your file has been uploaded, you can share it with others and start making money. Step 6. Promote your content on social media. To maximize your earnings from Up4Ever.com, it is important to promote your content on social media. This could be anything from sharing your content on Facebook to tweeting about it on Twitter. The more people that see your content, the more money you can make. Step 7. Monitor your earnings on Up4Ever.com. Finally, it is important to monitor your earnings on Up4Ever.com. This will allow you to see how much money you are making and which files are the most popular. Use this information to create more content that your audience will love and that will help you make even more money. Conclusion. In conclusion, using free stock music from Pixabay.com is a great way to make money from Up4Ever.com. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can find free stock music, create engaging content, and start earning money today. So why not give it a try and see how much money you can make? One of the great things about using free stock music from Pixabay.com is that it is completely legal and free to use. This means that you can create content without worrying about copyright issues or having to pay for expensive music licenses. This makes it a great option for those who are just starting out and may not have a lot of money to invest in their content creation. Another benefit of using free stock music from Pixabay.com is that it can help to enhance your content and make it more engaging for your audience. Music has the power to evoke emotions and create a mood, which can help to captivate your audience and keep them engaged with your content. By using free stock music, you can add an extra layer of depth to your content and make it stand out from the crowd. In addition to using free stock music, there are other ways to make money from Up4Ever.com. For example, you can offer premium content that users can access for a fee. This could be anything from exclusive videos to ebooks or software downloads. By offering premium content, you can attract a loyal following and generate a steady stream of income. Another way to make money from UpForEver.com is to participate in their referral program. This program allows you to earn a commission on every user that signs up for an account using your referral link. This can be a great way to earn passive income and grow your earnings over time. When creating content for UpForEver.com, it is important to keep in mind the interests and needs of your target audience. This will help you to create content that is relevant and valuable to them, which can help to increase engagement and drive more traffic to your files. To do this, you can conduct research on your target audience to learn more about their interests, preferences, and pain points. You can also use analytics tools to track the performance of your content and see which files are the most popular. This information can help you to create more targeted and effective content that resonates with your audience and drives more traffic to your files. Another important factor to consider when creating content for UpForEver.com is the quality of your files. This includes everything from the audio and video quality to the overall production value of your content. By creating high-quality files, you can establish yourself as an authority in your niche and attract a loyal following of users who appreciate your work. Finally, it is important to stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices in content creation. This can help you to stay ahead of the competition and create content that is fresh, relevant, and engaging. You can do this by attending industry events, following thought leaders in your niche, and staying active on social media. In conclusion, making money from UpForEver.com is a great way to monetize your content and earn passive income. By using free stock music from Pixabay.com, creating engaging content, and staying up to date with the latest trends and best practices. It is worth noting that making money from UpForEver.com requires consistent effort and dedication. You will need to create high-quality content on a regular basis, promote your files on social media, and engage with your audience to build a loyal following. This can take time and effort, but the rewards can be significant. In addition to making money from UpForEver.com, you can also use the platform to build your brand and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. By creating valuable content that resonates with your audience, you can build a strong reputation and attract new clients and customers to your business. Overall, making money from UpForEver.com by using free stock music from Pixabay.com is a great way to monetize your content and earn passive income. With the right strategy, dedication, and hard work, you can create a successful and profitable business on UpForEver.com and achieve your financial goals. So why not get started today and see how much money you can make?